Hello everyone and welcome to this video tutorial of PrestaShop Iyzico Payment Gateway module. In this video, I'll explain you the process to configure the module and I'll also show you that how using this payment method your customers can easily make payment for their orders. So let's just go to the PrestaShop back office first, where I have already installed this module. As you can see, the module is already installed in my PrestaShop. So let's just proceed to configure the module. In the configuration settings of the module, there are not many options. So I'll just walk you through each of the options one by one. The first option is sandbox. In case if you enable this option, then you can use this particular payment gateway in test mode, and if it's disabled, then you will be using this module in the live mode, and accordingly you need to add the app ID and secret key, because the app ID and secret key, which are the API credentials, vary according to the mode. That is, sandbox mode API credentials will be different and live mode API credentials will be different. So the first option is this. The next option is payment method title. Here you can choose to customize the name of the payment mode, that is this particular payment mode, Iyzico payment, that how you want to show to your customers, that what name would you be willing to show to your customers on the checkout page under the payment section. You can add this in multi-language as well. Then next is of API credentials, that is app ID and secret key, which I will just explain you that how to create those keys. Then next is mail configuration. I'll just explain what these two options do for you. The first option is send mail to customer when admin refund for a product. In case if a customer is making a refund, in case if you are making a refund or initiating a refund for the customer, then whether you want to notify that customer via mail or not, you can choose that from here. If this option is enabled, then the mail will be received by the customer, and if it's disabled, then no mail would be sent to the customer. Then same goes for the second option. In case if you cancel the order of a customer, then if this option is enabled, then a mail would be sent notifying about the same, and if it's disabled, then no mail would be sent to the customer. Now let's just take you to the option where I will just show you that how to create the API credentials. In the user guide itself, under the heading that is how to get the API keys, we have added a link to go to the direct payment page of the Iyzico, where you can proceed to create the API credentials. So you can simply click here and you will land onto this page, where in case if you don't have an account on the Iyzico, then you need to create one, and if you already own an account, then you can simply log into your account using the credentials of Iyzico account that you already have. Now as I already own an account, so I'll just log in. As you can see that I am successfully logged into my account. So in order to get the API keys, you can go to that page from here. You go to the merchant settings Apart from that, you can also go to that part from the this particular sections, that is under settings. You can also find this merchant settings option, and here you can also find that same option. So you can click on any one of them and you will land onto the same page. Here, on coming to this page, you will see the section of this API keys. You can simply click on this show detail button and API keys would be shown, and for secret key as well. You can copy this detail and accordingly paste here in the configuration settings of your module. So this was all about the process via which you can get the API keys for the module. Now let's just go to the front end of the shop, where I will just show you that how a customer can easily make payment using Iyzico payment method. So let's just proceed to add to the cart, and we will just try to order this product, this particular product, and I will show you that how you can do show by using the pay by Iyzico payment method option. Here, as you can see that here pay by Iyzico is shown, and the name customization option which I was talking about earlier relates to this only. That is, here as you can see that I have written pay by Iyzico. In case if I just change this option to Iyzico only, let's just save this detail, and in case if I refresh this page, you will find that the name of this payment option is not changed. So that option works in this manner. Now let's just proceed to use this payment method to place the order. You can use your card details to pay for this particular order. Now let's just try to place the order using the card details. After making payment for this particular product, you will land onto the order confirmation page, which you will witness just in a moment. As soon as the order is confirmed, using the payment method, that is this particular payment method, Iyzico payment method, which we already used. So here we are on the order confirmation page of the module, order confirmation page on the front end, and as you can see that the name of the payment method is also being shown on the order confirmation page. The name of the payment method is also available on the order detail page of the customer. As you can see that this payment method, name of the payment method is being available here too. Now let me just show you that a new option, that is Iyzico transactions, is also available at the back end, where all the transactions of Iyzico made by the customer, any customer, it can be any customer, all the transactions would be separately listed here. Here you also get some other options like view order, cancel payment, and you can also view the transaction detail from here. In case if we click on this option, this will take us to the order detail page of this particular orders page, not order detail page, and here you will land. On clicking the cancel payment, the payment will be cancelled. Now let's just see what happens when we click on this view button. Here on clicking the view button, the name of all the products and the price paid by the customer is available. along with the transaction ID. You can also choose to refund this whole amount to the customer back. Let's just click on this option and you can see that a prompt is appearing. After confirming, the refund will be made and the detail of the refund is also available here. On clicking this view button, it takes you to the edit product page of this particular product that the customer ordered. Now let's just go back again where we were. As I showed you that this particular order was refunded. On clicking this view option, you land here and accordingly you can click on this view button to view the product details page. As I already showed you that on clicking the view order button, you land onto this particular order listing page which is available to the admin at the backend. So this was all about the PrestaShop Iyzico payment gateway module. I hope this video helps you to configure and use the module in the best possible way. Thank you.